Once you've logged into your WeVideo dashboard, you have a couple options like browsing templates, but today we're going to use the full feature editor. Once you're in the full feature editor, you can see you have a lot more options on the left-hand side, such as extras like overlaying snow or adding call-out boxes. Another feature that you'll find is you have layers down here where you can add video, text, or layer things on top of each other. You can even add a track if you need something else. To begin, we're going to use the My Media tab here at the top. First, I can import media that I have, such as pictures or videos, if I have them saved in my computer. Next, I could record using my webcam, record my screen, or if I wanted to teach distance, I can use my screen and my webcam together. The last option here is to narrate. Once I click this, you can see that the box pops up to encourage me to open my microphone and record myself. I also have the option for images and videos. Let's start by searching for images of, say, dogs. Grab an image that you like and pull it down here into your timeline. You can see that it won't go into areas where it's not welcome, such as text. Once I have it where I want, I select the picture by double-clicking it, and I can edit. Here I can change the rotation, I can flip it around, I can even change the scale of the picture to make it fit better in my video. Once I have the picture as I like it, I have other options at the top such as layering or cropping, and then I can save. Now that I have my picture where I like it, let's add some text. I select text on the left-hand side and you can see I have title slides and captions. I find one that I like and I pull it down. If I want the words to be on top of my picture, I layer it in the text box right over my picture. To change the words, I double-click the text box, and now I have full editing options for these particular words. I can change the words to dogs are here, and I have an option to change the font, the size, or even the color. When I'm done, I click Save. Now that these two are layered together, let's find a video to go with it. I'll also click Videos and then search Dogs. Find a video that I like and pull it down. When the videos are next to each other, they'll play from one to the next. I want my presentation to look kind of professional, so let's add a transition. Transitions on the left-hand side, and you can see that I have a lot of options to choose from. For students, they're going to click the picture and then click the plus sign. For this sample video, I'm going to use the curtains transition, and I'm going to pull it down in between my two pictures. Now, I want to go back and add something of a recording. Here is an option when you're teaching distance to use screen and webcam, where students can see your face and what you're doing on your screen. But today, we're just going to use the webcam. When I select webcam and click next, you can see that the preview pops up. Now I can choose which camera I'm looking for if I have maybe a dock cam to go with it. When I'm ready, I click Start Recording. It counts me down, and now I can record whatever I want. When I'm done, I click Stop and Save. My recording is automatically added up here under My Media, and then I can edit my timeline down below by taking the end of this clip that's pretty long and make it a little bit shorter. Now that my clips are where I want them, let's add some text. I'm going to add an overlay. Let's go with this particular one right here, multi-line. When I pull it down, you can see that it's aligned right with my video. Now I need to double click and I can change the words. Anything that you want to edit as a piece of media, you simply need to double click. Thanks for watching. I can change the colors if I want and save changes. Now that I have my words the way that I want them, I need to change how long this runs so that it goes in line with my picture. So I'm going to grab the end and shorten it up and check my preview. Now I have an option when I click on the words. If I don't double click, I can add filters or effects. Now that I have my pictures, transitions, and words how I like them, I'm going to add some audio. So I click Audio and drag this inspiring track down here to Audio 1. You can see it's a very, very long clip. So I have two options. I can either grab the end and drag it, or I can trim it. Let's trim from the front, move it back into position. Now I'm just going to cut this clip off right here. So when I select it, you can see at the top I have a pair of scissors at my marker. Now I highlight the image that I don't want after choosing the scissors and delete.